Namaste. My name is Laura, and I'm so grateful that you are joining me today. Thank you for being here for this mini practice of a restorative hip opening posture supported Baddha Konasana with some breath work. If you're new to restorative yoga, you're going to love it, and I just want to share that this is a practice where we use a lot of cushions and props and things like that. So today I have available a bolster, that's this big cushion here, 2 blocks and a pillow. This pillow I'll use for my head, and the 2 blocks I'll place just in front of the bolster, like you're making a little platform for your feet. We will lay back, and you might adjust through your pillow for your head. You could have an eye mask available too, and a blanket for even more comfort and coziness. And whenever you're ready, we'll start to draw the soles of the feet toward each other. Let the feet rest on your platform on the other side of your bolster. Now the knees relax onto the bolster. So really we're trying to find a position that requires as little effort as possible. So if there's sensation in your inner thighs or into the hips, you might add in another pillow beneath your thigh or knee on either or both sides. If your bolster is rectangular, you could even turn it onto its side for a bit more support. Take any final wiggles, adjustments that help you to get comfortable here. Really settling into the support of the ground and the props below. Your arms might rest at your sides with your palms facing up. This posture, when we connect with the hips in the area of the sacrum, we connect with Svadhisthana chakra, the second chakra, and the element of water. So as you rest here, just begin to notice wave upon wave of breath flowing in and out of your body like water, nourishing, cleansing, soothing, calming breaths. You might inhale and exhale through the nose, or perhaps breathe in through the nose and out of the mouth. You may sense your breath deepening, lengthening. And start to welcome in a slight activation of the throat. You could imagine that on the next exhale, you're fogging a mirror in front of you. In that way, you engage the throat tissues, the muscles. And can you inhale and exhale through the nose, making this ocean sound? Finding, settling into a flow of Ujayi Pranayama, ocean sounding breath. Wave upon wave of breath, flowing in and out of the body, guiding you, an intelligent undercurrent guiding guiding you softly from one moment to the next with a sense of peaceful presence. Anchoring you in each moment, this breath awareness. And you can continue resting here, breathing in this way for as long as you feel to, for as long as you wish. And just if or when the time is right for you to transition, you can start wiggling through fingers and toes, stretching out through the legs. Perhaps you stretch out long. Whatever you need. And to transition, you can roll toward one side and then come up to a seat. Just know that there isn't any rush and you might keep resting. Thank you so much for joining me today, for being here. I'm so excited to be offering themed restorative practices, themed around the energy centers, the 7 main energy centers in the subtle body, the chakras. So as I said, this posture connects with the 2nd chakra, and on my channel you'll find other restorative practices to support root chakra, 3rd chakra, manipura chakra, and so on. So I hope that you'll join me on my channel, and I will see you very soon. Bye.